Greetings one and all. Welcome to the kitchen here today. So I'm going to be making a chicken dish, some lemon flavoured chicken, which I'll be primarily cooking in the oven. But to start off with, I just want to brown my chicken pieces on the stove top first and try and get a little bit of colour on the skin. So what I've got here is 5 fairly large chicken thighs with the bones still in and the skin on, and all I've done at this stage is I've just seasoned the skin side with some salt and pepper, and we're going to begin by cooking them skin side down in about a tablespoon of oil. Alrighty, moving along with our extremely simple chicken dish here. So yeah, I fried off those pieces of chicken. They're not cooked yet. I've just browned them, as you saw. Now at this stage, if you had a fry pan that was oven proof, you'd just leave those in there, but I haven't actually got a I have got one, but it's not big enough, so I'm going to be using this oven tray instead, which is no problem. So we need to make our braising liquid. So to do that, I've got in here 1.5 cups of chicken stock. I'm going to add some white wine, and quite a generous amount, probably about a cup. Not probably. Seems I've got a cup measure here. It will be a cup. Now the juice of 2 medium-sized lemons. And I've got here a good couple of teaspoons of fresh thyme leaves, and most of those I'm going to throw in there too. I'm just going to leave a little bit there to put on top of our chicken as we're cooking it. And I've got here some dried oregano leaves, or oregano, as my American friends like to call it, and we'll just put in, what, maybe a couple of teaspoons, like so. And the last thing, some Dijon mustard, and I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons, so these are heaped teaspoons, so probably about 3 heaped teaspoons, like so. And that's it. Just stir that up a bit. So because I'm using this tray like this, I've made a sort of bowl thing with some foil, but because this braising liquid is going to double as our sauce, so we'll just stick that in. Alrighty, now I want to put my chicken in that, but I want to leave it the skin side up so that the skin sort of remains a little bit crispy. So it's basically just going to be braising from the bottom up. Now, like I said, I'm going to just throw a bit more thyme on top, just a little bit. And just another little very light sprinkle of that oregano. And I've also got some lemon slices here. I'm just going to dot around in my braising liquid. And in between the pieces of chicken. Alrighty. So my oven is preheated to 220 degrees Celsius. And I'll cook that away. Like the chicken's sort of par cooked anyway, so I'm just going to cook it away for probably about 20-25 minutes, but just keep an eye on it. You'll know when it's ready. Alrighty, so you saw me take the chicken and braising liquid out of the oven. So all I've done is I've just transferred the chicken onto a tray just to keep warm down the bottom of the oven, and whacked the braising liquid here into a saucepan, and I'm just going to reduce that a bit. It's actually really delicious, but I just want to reduce it a little bit more. Alrighty, so yeah, my sauce there is just still reducing away, and as I said, it's quite delicious as it is. However, it is quite sour, I guess. There's a lot of lemon flavour in it, and I'm just going to counteract that. And I like a sour bit of flavour, don't get me wrong, but I've got this beautiful homegrown honey from a friend at work, and I'm just going to whack a couple of spoons in there just while that's simmering away to melt in with it. And I think we're going to end up with something pretty special here. Alright, so I'll just stir that in and let it simmer away, keep simmering away, reducing, and yum. Alrighty, so I've just served up, yeah, my chicken here with the lemon sauce, lemon and wine sauce as it turned out. Let's just taste a little bit of that first. Yum. It's really sharp and lemony, but yeah, I'm glad I put that honey in. It's just taken the edge off it. So I'll try a bit of our chicken. Now the idea was to try and keep the skin there a bit crispy, and it looks like that's worked. I mean, it's not going to be super crispy because it was steaming away in there as well, but alright. Get some of that sauce on. Let's have a look. Anyway, not going to focus, so let's just try a bit. Yum. Like I say, sauce is delicious, chicken is yummy, it's beautiful and juicy on the inside. I guess it had to be, like, yeah, cooking in that braising mixture, but man, that's really nice. And as you can see, I put lots of sauce on here, So I've whacked some rice on here, soak that sauce up. Yeah, who cares? Just eat it. Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. Very simple dish, but really yummy. If you're already subscribed to the channel, thanks a lot. I love that. Thanks so much. I'm really grateful for that. If you haven't subscribed yet, can I just ask that you subscribe? That'd be really nice. And I always say if you don't want to, don't worry about it, and I mean that. But yeah, it'd be nice if you could. Alrighty guys, I'll see you all next time.